again. Mentally, you're moving. I'm gonna say why I'm in feet one cause in life. It's all about the joy.
Yama wakwaba about the journey so Adum TV. So said your money that na what you be a yeshia, the attraction komo, na ya dim komo af abrabo. Nine me guests are obefia a rubber beer or winning hitmaker a season 7 a 2018 and yenny fear and any attraction komo. Na ansana ye behuno. Mamina abwa for masomasina medijumedi April. A time here by Mr. or malaria day where you are any time if you give us clean care also basi see if you na fear and your face and our face a lip tomato paste or se lip or lip my journey and your day it will feel na journey by the dia na your lip tomato paste na ye no na yenda your guests no edi mami akwaba
yenya
you who watch it
Michelle
bibi aboko
me adom
you who watch kakra say oko of kakra aden.
Well, that was a mistake away from mainstream Nyama. But I've been around. I'm releasing music near the
Okay, so yeah. You've been around, but all step here away for how long?
Like a year and some months.
Now, one dream said that can affect your career.
Baby, I'm a person me drew into, say be a me step away to prepare some more. Say nebeya me drew well that the Ghana for be candiana.
And now you just prepared and focused to get to where you
just
want
focused.
to. Exactly. Oh, okay. Exactly. Ever since you started your career from hitmaker to Obiabehu OV now, is there any regrets?
Regrets. That be me sure say me regrets be asa, but no, I've just learnt lessons.
Okay.
Yeah, because me any pa and me am from so.
Yeah, from so.
So yeah, lessons. And yes, regrets.
Okay.
No.
Nti wosu ya de.
Exactly.
Nti ubeka se u free stone boy nchen wosu ya de se hu yanka uka ho. Ananka bia nsem bia udi echi nke ye nanka wundi echi.
I'll take it from where you said me free ho. I would like to clear that.
Okay.
I didn't leave anyway.
Okay.
Sebio, why Rebecca say stone boy and acts like him.
Yeah.
Obedi nechi like on person. Wokranka obedi nechi.
Okay.
There's no reason because anameboa.
Okay.
So and no dey nothing like that happened.
Okay.
Say me na me free but niam be I were not able to solve and or your nipa, you know, and no your big brand, no big arts at the end of the day. And all boy obi me, and so if he decides say or person moving on with his life, so be it.
Okay.
And I started music by myself. There was nobody. So as I say, and you know, I'll just continue doing my music.
Okay.
And see after Honoka Korano, I decided to release music. Releasing music, about 2 songs. Forward me, I did 420, but not bars wasn't there. So I was like, no, if because of drama near the idea now, Ghanaians are going to talk too much. And you know, okay, let me just redirect. Me person me focus and get the world. First of all, me person me get it too. What I say, but there was a one for baby answer. And you know, let me just step away and prepare some more. Now me fat baby bedroom where I want to. Exactly.
Okay. So that's what time now we release and you ben sana release that time that you left there, you know. Okay, so the 2 songs.
I want you to rephrase it.
Media nyamiye ni ke ba sini won na we ashin cat ya na o ka sinsa ka from kwajo ho member title na kire na ba munyu media ya na ya asemu tutuma me why.
Okay, forward no me release it forward. I need a holiday, I just want a break. If you say na ko fane ke can be bringing sanity, I need to meditate. I need a holiday, I just want a break. Me try say like
me beka na just say munyum bebre amokan mo amasem na mo ka kire.
Exactly.
And because some ya working na ubeko break na holiday. So oko kasako dream wo ho.
I mean there was so much going on. Yes to say and I'm him bia enye you understand. And you know I just had to me the be fa nyum akasa and you know me and me patcher when you say I mean at the right time, I'll say my story. My story will make sense. See, nobody will listen. So what he has says, I make control. See, I didn't leave. You won't believe me.
Yeah.
And I'm a and you know, at the right time. So when I make it, but see, I'll continue to prepare and move forward
and do music. Okay. Fast forward. We're free hall and we're releasing. Now you are back. You're home so interviews.
Exactly.
Any idea? Future year we and Ovi. You who they free hall.
Enyum na me be from day one now home.
Yeah.
Enyum. Exactly. I just want to touch lives, and so I'll continue to touch lives. And I am afife mu bebre the past few months. Now I was away no. I know that this is where I'm supposed to be. You understand? This is it. Nyame has a purpose for me. Yes. Exactly. And you know, I have to be here and I have to be humble and then go through it all. What's I say? Okay. So yeah, it's just music for me.
Nyame the whole manage at the time now. Winning hit maker started, you know. Now go Nyame prepare when I prepare.
Hit maker. To be honest, me call hit maker cry and I'm in prepared here.
Okay.
Debbie.
Okay, so that
I didn't even know what I was doing
from what you said.
No.
Okay, so you now when you're prepared, a better.
Yeah.
So you had to step back and now you are fully prepared. So this is
basically.
It. Okay.
Basically.
Okay. 5 years to come, who do you want to be?
5 years.
5-10 years ahead of us. Who do you want to be?
Sister Abena. 5 years to come. Honestly, I want to be. Me to me can say 5 years to come. I'll be this.
It can happen tomorrow.
Yeah, it can happen tomorrow. Yeah. Cry.
So from today, and then you're Ovi, Adon TV, Adolfo show.
Yeah.
From ne, any 5 to 10 years ahead of you. Yeah, expecting them from you.
Great music, and I expect my fans and other people to support. Say, Ujidi say me what talents be.
Yeah.
Push me, share my stuff. Now me in Drew baby, I can't do it alone. That's all I have to say. Send a 5 years time. You see me and be proud. Oh yeah. Up to now, people see me and they're like, me, I voted for you. you Bab. So that's what I want to see. Okay. People push me. I can't do it by myself.
She can do it by herself. You try your home encouraging crowd or your bar is still Yakwaji Krato aba oguswa ehwede cheni ewo Atom TV so. And me guest e Ovi and e twetwe nkomo ewo ha. Enti join e why e bedi nkomo. Ovi, some time back yetiti sembi was social media say you've been off, you're into drugs, why you're real, like a whole lot of issue. OTV. Oh, yeah, OTV on.
It's me who
I think one time you for radio. Yeah, the old mother was then there was issue. Be almost your mommy Aisha and I think your mother was something. Bibisa. Okay, I think she said she spoke with your mom, but you are okay. They were saying say oyare,
okay,
or something. So she was not clear say oyare because she spoke with your mom and you were okay.
Okay, so the entire mom is no. I don't think say. Mama na poni din. Only me mama people communicate.
Okay.
That's all I want to say.
So what about media no beka say we are drugs near no?
And kasa
you don't know
because obi a woni ama ofemu. You understand? So many things. I mean to me MBA man but I mean people are going through things, you know, serious things. And so if you don't appreciate those things, now in life, so
it's off the line,
below the belt for me. But it's all good. It's all good. And they are but I mean, send the no current. It's not true.
It's not true.
Abena, who me drugs?
That's
all cry drug. I put me near the
saying before power. Power is okay. I see a normal 40 pie. Not just say.
So This was for
it ya parents some no more can on.
Me dey me.
Tipa ya drone. Na ni man ka me ya dress papa. Sister, let him for put up too.
Sister bla.
Oh, te ya ma ye mfi omo. Kasa ne do so. Omo focus. As stories wo ho pa o.
Me come.
Na say ni patitiri bia no nsem wo ho.
I mean, yeah, I believe in that.
And no be ko how ubo ovia. When you were coming on the show like ubo ovi. Na me fa phone say me read the ovia. A B C
stories.
Then people akuna story we nyina.
Stories.
Are you a tomboy?
Well, yes, I'm a tomboy by looks.
By looks.
Yes.
But not in real life.
In real life, I'm a tomboy. Say looks.
Looks need the work count.
Tomboy.
Oh, say.
But what's the question you want to ask?
No, I said never. I
want you to go straight to the point and ask me.
There may be sound say, let me say you a tomboy. Also no, because me who twice ni na say old dresses a bema, and our bad dresses a bema. Perception is say oh you tomboy. It be a no kind of maybe say and your baby are obvious. So why doing akon?
Maybe I've heard this question before.
Yes. I don't know today. Who was sneakers by on?
Oh, a few of them, but me share boots. Most of them.
Yeah, fine.
Yeah,
it's Obi. As open so hamia, mammy bisa. I do a person bisa. Me say, and yeah, na mimi bisa. Medium person me bisa. The empty and catch him say me bisa. And me bisa.
Okay.
What's you up a so warrior? When I'm saying, what video already address and near bring new media and far our real uncle. And I ya come ha.
Many bring you. Our
end, open wine. Mama was it's good. Now, no, Matisse all the new song we about Okoko Brown. What is it about?
Lessons and lessons. Yeah.
Okay. Hey, would you own your media and some more?
Sir,
Okasafa, Okasafa and Jumu. Okay,
lessons and lessons. I mean, everything that, all the questions that people want to find out
is in that song.
Okay. So just me pese me tupu, me pese obi a konkuti. Lessons and
now my kaka we be na me masumye me de me wi an ma fa me fom say.
Pese me to chorus. Mama ta, you talk am so day. I no lie, you gon' die when you try to bring me down. Story time. But I know if I tell you all I've seen, I'll be fine. Me too, so I am a couple.
We'll be fine. Yeah, there we go.
To be uncle tea.
Yabeka kuti. Iti ahi fan na so be pese o tie unyum ya obetimi etie.
Oh, it's everywhere. Boom play, Audiomack, Apple Music,
okay.
Everywhere. It's OV.
Okay.
BIOV.
BIOV.
Google ye OV krana. Obi hu.
You na Google ya me ko bisa asma ko ya asemi. Asemo. Asem. Aha day. Now so you try your encouraging court or your bar is still Yakwajin Krato aba Oguswa share the journey e wo Adum TV so enemy guest OV and a yedin komo e wo dwumadi so entitina se na kan ye ho na yentwetwe komo. Mommy, how was your journey? Before Hitmaker, everything, how it started till now. How was your journey?
Okay. It's been starting free senior high school. Senior high school, then I'm a dancer.
Okay.
I'm a popular for dance near there. But I knew I could sing from a very long time, from childhood cry. My brother be Dave, and then my late brother. No, you know, they were into music near there. And you know, I knew I could sing, but I didn't pay attention. Oh, now I'm a son on a bass, you know. Yeah. Fast forward, I couldn't really continue the music dream and the dance dream, no. I could see time with my brother, and then I started. I realized that there's something in that music that
you have to do.
I have to do, and you know, me start seeing music, you know. Me free baby, I need it. I do chrome, and I bet na I can say dance man. enti na me kokɔ studio. Yeah, me freelance man on my studio be or Adenta. I mean, it was quite stressful because we are, I mean, me papa and me mommy, they are doing well kakra. Hey, it's kind of fierce, but they are doing well kakra. I mean, I pictured myself say me to me cry, be a lawyer and I say BB. I mean, now I'm hustling and then
because of music.
Life been I made me shame. I mean, but I kept on going. You know, me ni baby ade me be I could drew, but I was just going. Say hold on, so now ebi ana afa me trim kakra say me brother film nti o say bien o. But no, I had there anytime and I met Tonyo man as I entered the studio, no. It took something away from me.
Okay. Now be all sorts of joy.
And you know, I na hear me there. Baby na me call. Every time I go, na me sound so eboa me sister e wo restaurants. My sister Nikuno restaurant be wo dance man. Na me share down ton, but I mean me ton kakra.
Na wo share down ton how. Na wo mura aba na meti ha na waton she. Na benya dua na waton.
Me share down ton but yeah.
Yeah me ton ankasa metiti.
Me try.
Hey, emu amaton.
Easy. So yeah. Me kai me bi kwa me sister na me kon say I then I mean yeah music then I music and then maybe then I mean no I can't be doing music. My main call immigration yeah there. You're forcing me as I call you can say recruitment. Oh, am I make call work? Yeah. I had released 2 songs and you be a HM. I mean yeah. Kambu say you be any Kambu. Funny but a sweet song.
Oh, I
can you
see.
imagine? I want MTN hitmaker with.
But we are good.
Exactly.
Yeah, musician. But
yeah.
I don't know what happened.
Nothing has happened though. Radio quiet.
And you know the make quit because me there. And go for the omabra bo hihye nnwom a metati.
Yeah, it's a very
metati ko immediate free.
It's a very nice.
And you money there make quit. So that's the journey of how it only say, oh brother, sorry, Menkawe ya free mono was an inspiration for you to be where you are.
Yes,
to start
to
your
follow
career.
The music journey. Yes,
because that's what he wanted you to do.
Me yeah, sure. On the entertainment in the mechanism no me coach because
okay.
And you be bar me te one ho first.
Oh, okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Me to me I catch your cry say no putting me on to Stoneboy in the sound.
Oh, okay, good.
Trust me.
Okay.
Yeah. And you know, I mean, so many sounds, and you know, I mean, and so many sounds, influences be reggae sounds, near the lovers rock, and you know, I mean, but he wanted me to be there somewhere, entertainment. No coaching me, fine. So yes.
Danasi baby, obi ya danasi. Answer na bekon, oh dream, people when you so worry. I have a family. What be worry?
Family.
Ube worry. You can't say family and extended family as some make nuclear family. Obani bema worry a woman. Oh, that dream is ube worry.
Oh, see, I need them. Be say me a billionaire, you know. Me per se me working very hard. I mean a billionaire. Into me a millionaire, we are na my friend. I'm per se me. Every brother empty na.
Hey, Obi.
Sister.
It's ube real. What be ready? What we no? When you see Kenya, now wash it. That is a new book, man. Can't schedule home. Our really are one in your money. You have to change. Pray. But a woman so be worry. Also, what me can say, oh, me say ya, me person me worry. Now, when you order power, we want say it's a video.
Me order. Me order pie.
It will be worry,
of course.
Okay, ube worry yati that's why. That's so by why are you? No me didn't come up.
Stop na miss me that. Thank you for having me.
Unko iba come.
Hey. All right, cool. Yeah, I 2 per na say. If I mean say no man.
Mama me. Ode for mama na. Me she baby. Okay. So how was your first kiss?
Huh?
How was your first kiss?
Hey, first kiss. How was it? Ready? Senior high school and I. Yeah.
Senior high school kissing.
Send the trouble.
It's all kissing. Why?
I'm a boy be in school.
Sir.
Yeah, friend easy.
Tina, was it good? Maybe I know, but after that, what kiss you be? Was it good?
Oh yeah.
Sir.
It was good. I think it was good.
You think or you know?
Then they're nice, but see, I need say more vibes into.
You think or you know? Better or correct, no?
I think. Kai said they are not.
You better must why. You that's so why. Over here, that's why. Thanks for coming.
Miss me that's.
What's what if you were three? Just say, Mr. Rona, overcall. Platforms now mention yen na wako streaming the music na yen supporting the talent no na untimi enko echindru baby a opeso do eye aboafo asomasen eye time here by Mr. Give us clean care lip tomato paste and asomasen and abedi jumedi ebro baby bia owo afi asida so enkoma adum tv mpenyufo so mabo na de Jenny nyenya 1 year o yeguso Koyanim season 5 nyame insure wa wo fie so nyame insure afi aseda kese enkoma crew ni nyina se da bia o sacrifice na je se ye ye adwuma nti se enye easy ye da mo se nyame insure mo me di dwuma di meeting e de Abena Ghana bronga half for this year asemba ko na de bia make a true me se nyame wo ma ebe ye